to costumes and cocktails. Today's drink will be a French 75, and I will show you just how to make it. This cocktail begins with the gin. Today I am using Calamity Gin from Texas. It is got wildflowers. It is very beautiful. We will use 1 shot. And voila. The next, we will add the simple syrup, but I am not a simple woman. I have elderflower syrup. This will be 1/2 shot. Then we will add the lemon. I do not have the fresh lemon, but I do have this one. It is 1/2 shot as well. You pour all of these ingredients over ice, and then we shake. We pour this into a flute. We have some lemon, and then we add the champagne. You do not shake the champagne, or else you will lose the bubbles. Now it is time to, as the young people say, pop some bottles. Magnifique. And then you pour and pour and pour and pour. This is a beautiful drink. The history comes from World War I. In 1915, this drink was created and said to be as powerful as a shell from the French 75mm. I agree. Remember to join me next week for more costumes and cocktails.